Hi guys, Dave Hayes here. I want to talk today about diminished chords. A diminished chord is similar to a minor chord, except that it also has a flatted fifth. Remember, a minor is a flatted third, and a diminished chord is a flatted third and a flatted fifth. So a major chord, 1, 3, 5, minor chord, 1, flatted third, 5. Diminished chord, 1, flatted third, flatted fifth. Okay, now why do we need a diminished chord? Well, other than the fact that it's out there and you want to know all the chords that you can, a diminished chord is part of both the major scale and the natural minor scale. In the major scale, it's the 7th degree, the 7th chord in the scale. And in the natural minor scale, it's the 2nd degree. So you need to know how to play your diminished chords. So I'm going to show you how to get a couple of them. I'm going to talk about a B diminished chord. I'm using that for a reason, because we'll look at it in the C scale at the end of this lesson. But again, B diminished chord. Let's go down to the guitar neck, and I'll show you a few places to find it. Now, first, it's available on the 3rd fret as a natural diminished. And when I use the term natural chord referring to the steel guitar, I mean that it's available with just open strings, no pedals or knee levers. That's what I call a natural chord. It's probably not a correct terminology, but it's something I use. So again, B diminished on the 3rd fret, strings 10, 9, and 6 will give you a D, an F, and a B. There's your D, there's your F, the 9th string, and the 6th string is the B. Notice that the B is at the top, so this is technically an inversion. Remember when I was talking about inversion. So 10, 9, 6, a B diminished inversion. Okay, now it is also available on the 3rd fret. If you drop your 2nd string a half a tone, not a full tone. A lot of guys have a 2nd string knee lever that will go all the way down a full tone. You just want to use that middle stop if you have a double stop on your 2nd string. Lower it a half a tone, pick strings 5, 3, and 2 with the E lever, dropping that 2nd string, and there's another B diminished. The 5th string is the D, the 3rd string is the B, and that dropped 2nd string is the F. So there's the B in the middle. Again, it's an inversion, okay? All right, a couple more. Let's go up to the 6th fret, okay? And kick in your E to F knee lever. All right, now, if you play the 8th string, the 6th string, and the 5th string, B diminished. Your 8th string becomes the B, the 6th string is the D, and the 5th string is the F. That's a true root chord because the root note is on the bottom. That works with any of your string groups, by the way. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3 all fit into that B diminished chord. One more. Let's go up to the 8th fret, okay, which is the C fret. And if you drop your E, okay, there's your B, okay, play your 7th string, that gives you the D note, and if you press in your B pedal to raise your 6th string, there's your F note. So right there, dropped E, raised B pedal, and strings 8, 6, 5, 8, 7, 6, another B diminished chord. Now that's a real nice way to play it, because a diminished is, as I said, the 7th chord of the 7th degree of a C major scale. So here's a C major scale, okay? C, D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor, B diminished, C. Okay, so right up there on the 7th fret, you've got your A minor, your B diminished, C combination. So that's a diminished chord for you. Got to learn it because you need it to play your scales. Remember, diminished chord, the 1, the tonic or root note, flatted 3rd, flatted 5th. See you later. Thanks.